Hello guys, welcome to Eric Auto Center. Today's video I'm going to share with you some basic important things that you must know on your car to maintain your car life forever. So these tips are very important and I'm going to share with you in this live video. Welcome to Eric Auto Center. This is the Ghana's #1 automotive channel. We talk about cars, and some of these updates are very important because most people don't know about this update, and these things are causing a lot of problems on the car, but most of car users don't have any knowledge about it, so they might think it's normal and it's not normal. So one thing you have to put in mind that 80% of your car electrical fault caused by alternator. This is very crucial, important information I'm giving to you, and I have done a lot of research on this thing because alternator is the main purpose that runs all the electrical aspect on engine, and all these things are worked by alternator, and alternator doesn't use any power. It uses direct current, and that direct current transforms chemical energy into electrical energy. So based on that, these things are well known on our platform, and we are going to share with you that most of this fault caused on your car is caused by alternator, because when the power or the voltage is too high, it might end up shut down some system or any of these electrical sensors on your car. It might be sensor, it might be fuse, it might be any component or any actuator at all. It can even affect the engine ECU, because all these things rely on the alternator that supply them direct current, but direct current also tend to chemical energy and supply the system with electrical energy. So this is how alternator works. So if your alternator is not working well or it's not functioning well on your car, it will cause a lot of electrical issues on your car. So I'm going to advise you that in every 5,000 or 10,000 kilometers that you perform a maintenance, make sure to ask your electrician or your service provider to check your alternator charging system for you, because sometimes alternator can be a high voltage charging, and this can spoil your battery, it can spoil, damage some sensors, it can even affect the engine ECU, which is the control unit, and it will also cause a lot of electrical issues on your car. That is why sometimes bulbs bend, fuse bend, and all these things. It is due to the high current that alternator generates. And I made mention about direct current. After the direct current that alternator produces, it also transforms into chemical energy, and after that it supply all those actuators as an electrical energy. So has a three main duty to play on car. This is basic things we have to know about it. So it is very important to know this, so that whenever a fault comes, you may know how to tackle it. Most of you watching me are not a technical man or a technical person out there, but as you have a knowledge of this video, you can also identify or explain it well to your mechanic or technician to go straight to the point and rectify the fault for you ASAP. This is why Eric Auto Center is here to educate you, share you more information about car and vehicles. We also underline these things for those who want to buy a car. We are here to help you, assist you to choose the right choice of your car. Don't fall into a scam. Car buyers are always people that most of them didn't tell the truth and don't want others opponent to benefit. So if you want to buy a car, you can email us ericaqua2013@gmail.com. Then you send us a message, then we take it from there and we can chat on WhatsApp. This is what we do. It doesn't matter. Distance is not a barrier. Wherever you are, we can reach you and assist you to do some certain things you want to do. If anything you don't understand in this video, please put in the comment section. But one thing I want you to do for me is to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so, and make sure you click the notification bell so that you won't miss any video that we upload on this platform. Like my video so that YouTube can also recommend my videos to other people to get benefit, and share my videos as well. I thank you all guys that subscribe to my channel. Continue watching my videos, sharing it to reach 5K. I really appreciate your support, and we are expecting more subscribers coming new year 2024. Eric Auto Center is here to give you anything about car and auto vehicle that it will guarantee your car to last longer than before, and you always continue to allow me you guarantee motor vehicle experience. We will give you annual vehicle experience so that you can also know more about auto, car, everything about car. Once you are using a car, you have to know some certain things so that it can also help you to achieve your goals, to get benefit about what you are doing. So this is why we are here. It might be maybe the last but one video at the end of this year, but we also continue to provide you certain videos before the end of this year. We pray for strength, we pray for support. If you want to support us, if you want to sponsor Eric to what we are doing, we need a device, powerful device to shoot our videos with, and we are ready and we're happy to receive it. No doubt about that, because we need more equipment to give you better videos in the future. And if you can give us something, wherever you are watching us, from USA, from Canada, from UK, from Africa, anywhere in Ghana, Asia, Oceania, please, you can reach to us and tell us anything you want to support with Eric Auto Center. So this is things that we need to give you better filming and better content in the future. And let's move forward. Moving forward, if alternator produce low current due to some certain fault or certain conditions, it might also supply low current to some of these actuators, and it can quickly shut down any one of them at all. So alternator need a minimum power of voltage that controlled by the system and share among all these actuators or devices that I've made mention. This is more important, and failing to do so will result in producing low or high current to some of these actuators, sensors, electrical devices, component on the car, and some of them can quickly shut down or run out or get destroyed, because either a low current can affect it or high current can affect it. For example, if we are using electricity and unfortunately there should be a blackout or light out, when light comes, it comes with a high number of voltage. So sometimes what we do is to shut everything down, then after maybe 5-10 minutes you have to plug or unplug your things so that you can get the normal supply voltage that you need. Otherwise it can burn your television, it can burn your computer, it can burn your bulbs, it can burn any electrical devices. So this is how alternator works, and this is what causes most electrical fault on a car that people know. This is how we are going to manage it, and that is why I'm here to educate you, teach you some of these causes, which is 80% of electrical fault on our vehicles caused by alternator, because alternator is the main actuator that produce current and supply all this energy to other devices and actuators to work to meet the performance of the vehicle so that it can move faster and work importantly for you. This is the end of this video. Make sure you share, you comment, like, subscribe, and click the notification bell as well. Thank you for helping me reach 5K subscribers. 5,000 subscribers is not easy. We really appreciate your support. So continue to share Eric Auto video. I really appreciate those who share my videos. Sometimes in a week review, I got about 75 shares, 60 something shares. If I see that, it motivates me to do more videos for you guys. So I really thank those who are sharing my video. Welcome new subscribers, and stay updated until I meet you in the next video. Bye bye.